go. It can be ready for launch in 20 minutes. So we have the funnel, which is a carpet cleaner snapshot funnel. We have the automations, which is simple sites, carpet cleaner snapshot automations. You can see I got everything organized in folders in the automations so it won't get mixed up with anything else that you have on your account. The funnel is very clearly labeled, so you'll know exactly which one it is. And then we have a batch of custom values here as well. You can see they're organized A through I. So the discount offer, this is whatever the deal is going to be. You're promoting a discount offer to a local audience, people that are looking for carpet cleaning services. One of the most popular ones I've seen across the board by checking Yelp and Google is to get 3 rooms cleaned for X amount of dollars. So for this example, I did 3 rooms cleaned for $137. The local market, you're gonna put in whatever, the name is of your local market. For this example, we put Myrtle Beach. The business's logo, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here to the media. You're gonna upload the business's logo. And once you upload it, you're gonna right click it and then get the link and paste it here. This agency name and agency email are yours, your agency. You're buying the snapshot and you're providing this snapshot for your carpet cleaning clients. And you're gonna be delivering leads. As new leads come through the funnel, they're gonna be delivered to your client on behalf of your agency. So you're gonna put your agency's name here, your agency's email address here that you wanna use to deliver the leads. The booking link for the calendar page on the funnel, you'll see that in a minute. You're gonna copy and paste that here. And then the opt-in page link for the opt-in page on the funnel, you're gonna copy and paste that here. And then the tracking phone number, whether you're using a Google phone number, Lead Connector, Twilio, CallRail, whatever tracking phone number you're using, go ahead and plug that in right here. So that's all the information there. See, it took me about 2 minutes to explain all of that. It'll take you just as much time to copy and paste the information in there. Now, next in the funnel, let me go ahead and walk you through this here. This is very effective. It's a proven design that works across the board for any home services industry. So let me just go ahead into the page editor here. Don't worry too much about editing the design. There's a couple of pieces that you're going to want to touch. The background here, you can see we have a carpet being cleaned. I would suggest if you have any non-stock images of your client's company cleaning carpets, their trucks, their equipment, whatever it is, have a big background image of the actual carpet cleaning company that this funnel is getting set up for. The logo is going to be up here. You can see all the custom values right here getting plugged in. All the custom values, plug in everything. The ratings, I created this little graphic on Canva, and so I just plugged in 4.5, and the elements on Canva, I typed in 4.5 stars and it brought up these stars. If your client has 4.9 or 5 stars, 4.7, whatever it is, go ahead, take 2 minutes to create a graphic like this. I just uploaded Facebook logo, Google logo, put an ampersand in the middle there, and then save the image. It took about 5 minutes. And then you also want an actual customer testimonial here. Whether it's from Facebook, the best thing to do would be to take a Facebook review or testimonial, copy it here, copy the name, and then download it, and then here, download from Facebook the person's profile picture, and then upload it here in high level. You can just go ahead and upload it as the featured image right there. This is the funnel. This is what it looks like on the front end. Hey, Myrtle Beach, get 3 rooms cleaned for just $137. Claim your instant savings of over $100. You can just leave that, or you can change it, whatever you want it to be. Yep, here's the information, just kind of reiterated there. We only have 37 discount vouchers left, so claim yours today. They're gonna go ahead, fill out this information here. Let me make sure this form goes to the next step. So you're gonna go ahead and go to the schedule appointment page, which is the next step, or schedule appointment page. Book a time for us to come clean your carpets. Thanks. You should receive an email from us in the next 5-10 minutes with your discount code to make sure you're one of the 37 that's able to get 3 rooms cleaned for just $137. Book a time below to get your service scheduled. Oh, I didn't go over that. This map, it's the same map on the previous page as it is on this page. What you're going to do is you're going to type in the address of the carpet cleaning business on Google Maps. So maps.google.com. It'll pull up a map of the local area with the pin of their business right in the middle. Just take a screenshot, upload the screenshot to this page, and then for the link, you're going to go to website URL and you're going to copy and paste the link to the Google Map directions. This just goes to show everyone that's in the local area, oh, I'm familiar with those cross streets, blah, 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 blah. They're only 5 minutes from my house. And so it's just kind of like a peace of mind type of thing. After that, you're going to go to the confirmed page. One very, very important thing you're going to do to this page. You are going to replace this image with an actual image of the staff of the carpet cleaning company that this funnel is being set up for. So you're going to either have to take a picture, pull one off their social media or their Google business profile, or have them send you one. It has to be a non-stock image of the actual cleaning company on this confirmation page. It works like hotcakes. So once we do that, the funnel is done. So altogether, I've showed you how to update the custom values and completely customize the funnel in less than 7 minutes. So now we just have a couple of automations here. You're going to edit the user on all of these. Just go ahead, click through. There's a total of 10 workflows. Just make sure that the user is plugged in. You have to add a team member to the funnel. So you go into the settings, click my staff, and you'll just add an employee right there. Oops, that's my guy that I have helping me create these snapshots. You're going to go ahead. You're going to add a user, and then come into these funnel or these automations, and you're going to edit the user to make sure that the appropriate person is getting notified every time a lead comes in or an appointment gets booked. This is the most important little automation right here. A new lead comes in, the contact tag is added that this is a new lead, they get assigned to the user, they get added to the pipeline, the text gets sent to the user that was assigned, an email gets sent to the user that was assigned. You can also select all users if you want to add multiple people to the sub account. So if you want the business owner plus a salesperson plus like a tech, you can have all users get notified. And then there's a text and an email that gets sent out. The first text, hey, contact first name, this is username with location name. Did you just fill out one of our online forms to get 3 rooms cleaned for just $137? You want them to reply. You want them to reply. So you're just kind of verifying and validating that yes, they did indeed fill this out. It waits 2 minutes. It's not set to stop on response. So whether they reply to that text or not, they're also going to receive this email. Thanks. You locked in your spot. You qualify for the discount. Be reaching out soon. If you haven't, please schedule your time. This is where the booking calendar link is inserted. Please verify your information below. Reply with the correct info if anything is incorrect. Name, email, phone. Thank you. Username, location name. So, that's the automation there. You also have a beefed up appointment confirmation reminder campaign, auto missed call text backs, birthday template. Wish them happy birthday. If they respond, you offer them a $100 discount. Database reactivation for all of your old clients to remind them every 6 months, hey, it's a good time to get your carpet cleaned. Follow up if they did not close the sale, if they cancel an appointment, we have automatic follow-ups. A no-show reactivation, if your guys show up and the people aren't home, they can't let them in. There's a no-show automation. For once a job is done and a job is marked as complete, then this review request goes out. And then anyone who is on Google and connects with the Google business profile and starts a chat message on there, it's integrated with High Level, and you can go ahead and have some automation set up here as well. So this is an amazing snapshot for carpet cleaners. It works. It's based on a lot of other carpet cleaning companies that are investing a lot of money into their marketing, into their lead generation on Google and on Facebook. I took what's working for them and making them a lot of money, and I turned it into something that's going to make you and your clients a lot of money. So go have fun.